Secrets for a spotless kitchen your mom doesn't even know. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over your stovetop, scrub with half a lemon, and wipe with a damp cloth. Stains will disappear, leaving your stove looking brand new. Never use a toothbrush to clean your fridge gasket. It can cause damage. Instead, mix half a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Spray the gasket, wait 2 minutes, then wipe with a soft cloth. This method removes dirt, whitens, and eliminates mold, keeping your fridge fresh and clean. Burnt pot? No scrubbing needed. Blend a lemon, strain the juice, and mix with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Apply to the burnt area. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wipe with a sponge. To clean pot lids, apply toothpaste inside and out. These spots collect the most grime. Fill a large pan with water, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, heat slowly, and submerge the lid. After 10 minutes, wipe it clean with a sponge. For a greasy oven rack, place it in a garbage bag and soak it with a special solution. Dissolve a dishwasher tablet in hot water, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and let it cool. Pour the solution into the bag, seal it tightly, and leave it for an hour. Rinse the rack, and any remaining grime will wipe away effortlessly. A handyman showed me how to clean a burnt oven without taking anything apart, and this method seriously surprised me. Cleaning the oven is one of those chores everyone would rather avoid. You might wipe the oven glass inside and out regularly, but the door actually has several panes. The one that gets the dirtiest is the middle pane, and it's the hardest to reach. I'll show you how to clean that middle oven glass using a piece of cardboard without removing it. Gently pry up the top part of the door from the inside and remove the cover. This opens up the space between the panes. Grab a kitchen towel or paper towel and place a piece of stiff cardboard on it. Now, stick a strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of the cardboard and cut it to size. Peel off the backing, then attach the towel so it holds firmly and won't slip while you clean. Flip it over and spray the towel with oven cleaner or glass cleaner. Slide the cardboard between the glass panes in the oven door. Press it gently and move it slowly to lift off grease, grime, and streaks. Wipe up and down first, then side to side to reach every corner. Put the cover back on, and you're done. The glass turns clean, clear, and looks brand new, and the whole oven instantly looks fresher and neater. It's the best way to clean your oven quickly and cheaply, without unscrewing anything. These 2 citrus fruits will make your oven look like new again. It's a simple and natural method that helps you get rid of grease and burnt-on residue without using harsh chemicals. All you need is 1 lemon, sliced into thin pieces. This fruit is known not only for its high vitamin C content, but also for its natural cleaning and refreshing properties. Then take a lime and slice it as well. Lime contains citric acid, which effectively helps dissolve grease, remove dirt, and neutralize unpleasant odors. Place the sliced lemon and lime on a baking tray or in an oven-safe dish and put it into the oven. Add a small amount of water, just enough to lightly cover the bottom. Then set the oven to a high temperature and leave it for about 20 minutes. During this time, citrus steam will form, softening burnt food residue and greasy buildup on the walls. The steam reaches even the corners, making cleaning quick and easy. After that, simply wipe the inside with a damp sponge or cloth. The dirt comes off effortlessly without scrubbing, leaving behind a fresh citrus scent. It's the best homemade way to get a clean and shiny oven without effort or wasted time. Clean the inside of your fridge with this method, and you'll never have frost on its back wall again. If water droplets in your fridge turn into frost, it indicates the appliance is not functioning properly. This can lead to inadequate cooling of the stored food. There are several reasons for this issue. Frequent opening of the fridge allows too much warm and humid air inside. Setting the fridge temperature too low can also negatively affect its performance, causing condensation on the walls to freeze instead of draining away. Another reason might be placing warm, steaming food into the fridge. Finally, a worn-out door seal can contribute to the problem. Regardless of the cause, you can prevent frost buildup on the back wall. Simply dilute 3 tablespoons of vinegar in 1 liter of water and use it to clean the fridge interior. Vinegar slows frost formation, because it doesn't freeze at typical fridge temperatures, and its scent evaporates quickly without affecting the stored food. Additionally, vinegar kills mold spores, eliminating any potential growth inside the fridge. After cleaning with vinegar, wipe the fridge interior with glycerin. Glycerin forms a protective layer that also prevents ice buildup and doesn't freeze in fridge temperatures. Regularly clean your fridge with vinegar and glycerin, and you'll forget about frost problems for a long time. First, thoroughly pour vinegar all over the sink. Vinegar has disinfecting properties. Next, sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface of the sink. It will help remove dirt and stubborn buildup. After that, use a sponge to thoroughly scrub the surface of the sink. Finally, rinse away any remaining residue with water. The result is a sparkling, clean, and refreshed sink, free from limescale and bacteria. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain, and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing. A clever trick for cleaning a dirty induction hob. This method takes just a few minutes and leaves your hob looking like new, no scrubbing required. Stains, streaks, and even burnt-on spots will disappear like magic. You only need 2 products. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda helps remove tough stains as a natural abrasive. Next, grab half a lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which dissolves calcium deposits and white marks while leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Rub the hob surface with the lemon pulp, focusing on white streaks and tough stains in circular motions. The citric acid reacts with the baking soda, creating a gentle foam that helps lift dirt. Finally, wipe the hob clean with a damp cloth. Use this simple method to keep your induction hob looking brand new without spending on expensive cleaning products.